Hello, I am Harsharan. Now we'll discuss about over and above. Both mean at a higher level. Over and above are prepositions which can also be used in other forms depending on the formation of the sentence. First we'll talk about how to use them and then their comparison. Use of over. It is used for things at a higher position that are directly upwards the other thing in a vertical line. For example, the ceiling fan over my head is spinning slowly. Here, the ceiling fan is directly upwards my head in a vertical line. Another example, a bulb hangs over the table. Over is used for covering things, and there is a contact between the two things. For example, put a foil over the plate. There is a contact between the foil and the plate. My sister put her hand over mine to console me. There is a contact between the two hands. Over is also used to show movement from one place to another. Here, the movement is in the things at higher level. For example, an army plane is flying over the city. The cat jumped over the bushes. In these sentences, army plane and cat are moving and there is a change in location. We use over with numbers indicating more than. Examples, he has over 10 pairs of shoes. She has been waiting for him over 2 hours. Here we have used over before 10 and 2, which are numbers, and it means more than. Sometimes over is used with there, which means in that place. Examples, leave your bag over there. I'll be over there in a few minutes. Over is used for a particular period, like I'll talk to her over dinner. Over dinner means during dinner. One more example, they are invited over lunch. Over is also used to indicate end or complete, like my exams are over now. Here over means finished or complete. Second sentence, their meeting will be over in half an hour, means meeting will end in half an hour. Next is above. It is used for things at a higher level, which can be at an extended space upwards. Example, I bought it from the showroom above the parking lot. Above is used when a thing is overhead and is not directly perpendicular to a thing which is at a lower level, like he lives in a cottage in the hills above the lake. Here, the cottage and the lake are at different levels but are not perpendicular to each other. We also use above for higher level when there's no contact between two things mentioned in the sentence. Example, the roof above us was leaking. Here, there is no contact between us and the roof. Second example, there's a trophy on the shelf above his desk. Next use of above is to show higher than the reference point. For example, this region is 100 feet above the sea level. The water rose up above the danger mark in the river. Above is used for higher level in the same plane. For example, fill in the blanks with the words given above. Here, the blanks and the words are in the same plane, that is, flat surface of the paper. Second example, his name is above yours in the list of participants. Above is used for temperature more than 0 or average. For example, the temperature is 5 degrees above 0. It is 6 degrees above the average this summer. Above is used for higher in rank. For example, DSP is above inspector in police. It means DSP is in higher rank than inspector. Second sentence, it can be permitted by the officer above, means the officer at higher rank. We also use above to say what is most important. Example, she is beautiful, intelligent, and above all, honest. Here above all means most importantly. Second example, the trip was long, tiring, and above all, boring. Now, let's see the comparison between over and above. Over is used for all the things at higher level. Above is used for things at higher level which are directly perpendicular to things at lower level. Over is used for covering things and there is a contact between the two things. Above is used for things at higher level when there is no contact between the two things mentioned in the sentence. Number 3. We use over for movement from one place to another, and the movement is in the thing at higher level. And above is used for no movement from one place to another. Finally, over is used with numbers, while above is not used with numbers except for temperature at 0 degree. Look at this picture to make the comparison more clear. There are some stars and a box in the picture. All the stars are above the box, but red star is over the box. This is recap of the whole lesson. You can pause the video and see all the points at one place. The use of these words must be clear now and you are able to use them properly. I'll see you soon with a new lesson. Subscribe to get notifications about the coming lessons. Bye.